Hello everyone. Today I'm going to answer a most asked question, that how much does it cost to advertise on Facebook ads? Many times whenever a businessman thinks to run Facebook ads, then first question that comes in their mind is, how much does it cost to run Facebook ads? Well, there is no fixed cost. It depends upon various factors like campaign objective, audience targeting, ad creative, competition and location, etc. So today we are going to discuss these factors in detail. So watch this video till the end. Coming to the campaign objective, Facebook ads cost varies on the basis of campaign objective. Meta optimizes each and every campaign on the basis of objective. For example, an awareness campaign objective is designed in such manner that it reaches to maximum people for brand awareness, so the CPM would be quite low. Whereas if we talk about the sales ad campaign, then it is designed in such a manner that Meta will try to showcase your ad to those users who are likely to purchase your product or service. So CPM would be quite higher because the audience is quite valuable. Coming to the audience targeting, your Facebook ad cost majorly depends upon the audience you are targeting. If you are targeting a broad audience, then your CPM would be quite lower. But if you are targeting an audience which is highly interested in luxury product, or it is a niche specific audience, then your CPM would be quite higher and your Facebook ad cost would be higher itself. But experiencing a higher CPM is not necessarily bad, because you are reaching the qualified audience. If I talk about the ad creatives, then attractive images, engaging videos, compelling ad copy can generate better engagement and higher CTR. This will automatically send positive signal to Meta algorithm that your ad is relevant, and Meta will automatically optimize your ad campaign delivery, making your campaign more efficient. Your ad cost also depend upon the location targeting. If you are running ads in tier 1 city, then you may experience a higher CPM and expensive ad cost. Whereas if you run ad in tier 2 or tier 3 city, then you may experience a lower CPM, because most of the advertisers run ads in tier 1 city, create high competition. Your ad could be more expensive if you run ad during festivals, because most of the advertisers run ads simultaneously, creating a higher competition, and Meta requires higher budget to participate in the auction. Placements also play a major role in ad cost. There are several placements where you can run your ads, like Instagram story, Instagram reel, Facebook story, Facebook feed, Instagram explore home, and many more. So whatever the placement are in more demand by the advertisers would experience a higher CPM. Now, concluding this video, there is no fixed cost for Facebook advertising. It depends upon various factors like ad campaign objective, ad creative, location targeting, and audience targeting, etc. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. And you can also learn digital marketing by downloading our Digital Bikana app. Link in the video description. Thank you.